there, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing some Roblox Fortnite, aka, actually I really don't know. Yeah, so let's just try to play this game.
I need a gun.
It's kind of simple.
Hi guys,
Kill everyone else, and I got my sister here. We're just going to start a team.
like, you have to listen to me.
I don't.
Yeah, because it's sick.
Hey there, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing some Roblox Fortnite. I forgot the name, I really don't know it. Because it's my sister who suggested this to me. Where even are you? And there's even a battle bus.
Yeah,
Like,
there's actually a battle bus. It's like so good. I'm lost.
Also, I'm really good at no-scoping people in this. Like half the time.
Remember, I just killed him. I just killed him once. And he's like, seriously?
Boom. Nice. Boom.
Ah! You killed me!
Quiet. Let's see. Can I no-scope anyone? Anyone over here? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, that's you. I can literally see you up there.
How?
Like randomly shooting.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Oh,
okay,
so
we made a rule. Me and my brother won't shoot each other.
Yeah, no.
Dude!
It's not me!
It is you!
How are you not dead? What the hell?
I just killed
In this, also, one weird thing, like, in this game, you stay alive for like 10 more seconds, then you shoot. I'm probably
But I'm down.
Wait, no scope. I don't know scope.
I killed him.
I've actually no-scoped some guys out of the air. It's pretty cool. Boy, let's go, no scope. Okay, that's
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I'm on low health.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Will.
Easy!
So we are actually a team.
Ooh, okay, I just... Okay. It's just so big, like every single loss. Whatever. Boy! Yeet! Oh! Shit.
Oh god, we have to make a base. Come on.
No, hold on.
I'm gonna run, okay? I'm running for my life.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, you can build in this also too. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Well, you're building or I'm coming on your
Bob the Builder! Can we build it? Actually, please don't copyright me.
What do you mean?
Is Bob the Builder copyrighted? I don't think so.
No, I don't know.
You killed each other. I thought you said we made a rule.
Yeah, but you killed me.
Oh, that guy. Come on, get down, get down.
Get down.
Hey, no. Also,
killed me. Okay.
Get destroyed. Oh my god, look at my health bar up top.
Yuki. And I'm petting you like a dog.
Oh my god, I have to stay up there. Oh my god. Why is it taking so long to respawn? Hey!
How are you?
You killed yourself!
I'm eating.
Man, wait, is there emote?
Bye-bye. I gave it to
Yes, emote!
Very much. Emotes.
And
You know how do I do emotes? Oh yeah, emotes. Yeah, I'm gonna do.
oh my god, what the? Bro, that's very rude. I'm just trying to emote her face. Oh my god, he didn't even.
Oh my god! Take a look.
Yeah, bro, what up? Thanks. Come on, let's save this build. Come on.
Yeah, sure.
Come on, build up.
I don't know how to build.
The build.
The
Oh yeah, you
build.
don't know how to build.
I know how to build.
I tried to break the build so that no one can come up here. Here, I made another one.
Wait. How did you even get up there?
Don't break the builds. Where even are you?
Bob the
Come on,
builders.
Batu. Yo, Batu. Take it. Come on, up here, up there. Go. let's go, let's go. Come on, up here.
Wow,
Break it, you can. I'm a genius. It's true. We all knew it. Time to emote. Ah! Stop it!
sorry, I need to die.
You're seriously annoying me.
I'm on low health, that's why, dummy.
How are you on low health? I'm just gonna fill in all this grass. What the hell? What the hell? What? Wait, what?
Wait,
Oh my god, there's a guy here. Oh, too cool.
I don't like.
He knows scoped me. God damn it. Oh, you know what, boy?
Say the Mimi in the middle.
Oh! What the? In the middle. Actually, don't sing. You get copyrighted. Is the middle copyrighted? I don't think it is.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god, I'm okay, I
build.
Build the builder. Bob the builder.
Oh, this guy. Yo, boy, you want some of this?
I just killed one guy.
No scope. Okay, buddy, look, we can chill.
I died.
I hate this guy.
I just killed this.
I hate this guy.
Don't jump.
I know, hold on. I'm gonna try to snipe this guy, so just like stay there. What the? Stop it!
Oh.
You're gonna kill me.
Okay, I'm coming back.
Can you stop moving?
Oh god, why am
There's like what, 7 shots in this? 8 shots? 9 shots? I have no idea. But whatever.
So the kid is
Rocket launcher RPG time.
Oh hey, we have to make our base.
I know, but still I just want to kill this guy, because like he's already killed me a bit. I'm getting pretty close. This is the same guy, right? Hey, my kill! Yeah, this is the same guy. SMG. Spray everywhere! Oh my god, my game's lagging. Ugh. Yes, that was the same guy! Come on,
No, I killed him.
No, I didn't. Instead. Let's go. Oh man, that's so hard to set. Teamers! Welcome to Teaming with Ion. Wait, what? No scope! Okay, I need to break this guy. Yeah, that's it. I'm eliminating this guy. He's seriously annoying me.
Can fully evil dance.
Default dance? It's a default dance.
Okay.
And it's not a default dance before a Roblox. Let's go!
Santa, look at this, okay? Santa, look at this.
I want to emote.
I don't know.
Oh my god, what is wrong with emotes? Can I do hello? Maybe if I just put my gun in. Yay! I killed him! Okay, actually, I really want to. Get off the build! The only builds that are allowed in here are the ones that I've made, because I'm cool. I'm like you. No thanks.
Yeah.
Buddy, stop it. That's it.
Cause we're
That's it!
gangsters.
Do not say that.
Okay, I have you make sure to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
What is this? Spram! Okay, 9 shotgun. What?
I died.
No one is allowed to break this structure! Except me, because I'm cool. Unlike you, boy.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
No, my brother.
How is this guy not dead?
Where are you? How?
Oh my god, bro. Okay, that's it. I'm SMG. But I don't care how much it lags my game out. Guys, oh my, dude, how much health? Finally! And
Santa, where even are you?
I quit this game, bro. The second I killed this guy, there's another guy in like some red t-shirt.
Santa, can you find me?
I really don't care.
Santa was supposed to be a team, mister.
Yeah, so come on.
I have no idea where it is.
I'm just trying to snipe people. Oh my god, bro, it's you. Get one shot. Emote, yay!
I wasn't gonna do that.
I'm gonna click fine.
Yes!
Okay, break that down. But anyways, guys, that's all we have for today's video.
What?
So let's just stop right there. Hope you all had a nice time, and we'll see you guys next time.